Just want to get an update on the flooding situation. The National Weather Service up in Morristown went ahead and extended this flood warning for East Knox County, Northwest Sevier County, basically because we're still seeing lots of water being spilled out of Douglas, and it continues to roll down the French Broad River. But it's this area right through here, the Deerfield Park mobile home area, still has about 2 to 3 feet of water across that region, and that's a little bend here because of all the water that's flowing through, and people can't get back to their homes. So they're extending that flood warning there through 7:30 tomorrow. 69 is the current temperature in Dandridge, Knoxville 70, 63 in Crossville, and 65 in Jamestown. The good news is we don't have any rain across the area right now. Pretty clear. Live look right now, Embassy Suites hotel camera back towards Neyland Stadium right now, but there are some areas of fog. I showed you this earlier. You can see that fog just in the distance. It's that kind of milky white appearance just off the horizon there. That's back Cumberland County and Crossville atop City Hall. So visibilities are getting lower in spots, showing Crossville at 10, but notice just to the west, back towards the mid-state, it's pretty thick going down I-40. And we're going to see these areas of fog kind of ebb and flow as we go throughout the night tonight. But by first thing tomorrow morning, this is kind of a snapshot. By 7 a.m., there could be some locally dense fog in spots, so keep that in mind. Temperatures will start out upper 50s to low 60s for most. Dandridge, Newport, Morristown, all at 63. Greenville, Maynardville at 62, and Sneedville and Barberville right at about 60 degrees. Tomorrow looks a little warmer than what we saw today. There'll be many that are hitting the 80-degree mark for the first time in a while. Knoxville, Maryville, Loudon, even as warm as 82 down in Tellico Plains, but cooler for the plateau, some low to mid 70s, and everybody sees mainly a partly cloudy sky. It'll be a touch cooler as we start out early on Thursday morning. We've got some low to mid 50s for most areas, and again, can't rule out some patchy fog. There's just a lot of moisture obviously in the ground. I don't have to tell you that. And as temperatures get cooler, you see breaks in the clouds, lighter wind, kind of perfect ingredients for fog to form. Should be a touch warmer by the time we get to Thursday afternoon. You're seeing a lot more 80s pop up across the area, but still dry on Thursday. One thing we've been watching on Friday, a cold front's trying to squeeze its way into the region, having a hard time doing so, but could be just enough lift in the afternoon on Friday that we see a random shower or two. Unfortunately, the better opportunity may be over into western North Carolina, but I just wanted to point out there is a slight chance as we go through the day on Friday. The next thing we're looking at, keeping an eye on, that a lot of people have been talking about, yet a possibility of something developing down here in the Gulf of Mexico. As of right now, for the next couple of days, nothing's going to happen. But over the next 7 days, about a 40% chance of something developing. But it would be late week into the weekend. Our forecast model actually showing by Sunday morning something could be developing in here. So long way out. We're keeping an eye on it. There's no worries at this point, but we will watch it. Again, a slim chance of a shower on Friday. Otherwise, a little quieter as we go through the weekend. Temperatures stay mild, but it's dry. Another cold front comes through early Monday morning. Just some clouds with that, but look what it does to temperatures by next Tuesday. Kind of a fall-like feel. Oh, fall-like feel. We like that.